All right, how's everybody doing? I'm going to be changing out the kick pedal here because I got a new one, and this is the faithful Dixon. It's been a trusty workhorse, but I never really connected it back to it was never connected because I'm getting ready to change all the skins, and I haven't done it yet. I'm just playing around before I do. I did put the extra chubby beater on it because I like that thud for a 60 sound, but I'm changing it. So now I'm going to change this single chain, kind of cheaper Dixon pedal for the Gretsch pedal that goes with this kit, right? The G5 pedal, and it's much heavier than the last one that I just took out, the Dixon thing. It's got double chain drive. It comes with this sweet key. Like, I don't have 40 of these, but let's set it up. Let's set it up and see how it sounds, shall we? Okay. Means that I haven't hooked this to the actual shell yet. I should be able to just lift it right up and slide it right on there. Okay, and move it towards me. Yeah. That looks about right there. Right, and now we'll just tighten down the old clamp. We don't want it to be unhooked like that other one when I was sliding around when I'm trying to get my jams on. I'm gonna stick with the chubby beater, because it's still got that sound. And right now, this seems to be locked at about the correct height that I want it at. Yeah. You know what? This thing right here is just getting in my way. Make sure there's an adult around. All right. Gotta get that out of there. Oh, yeah. Gretsch makes cool stuff. This is going to be a lot better than the Dixon. I can already tell. It's a lot heavier. And let's tighten these floor screws in so it can kind of help it not slide forward. I'm not going to do the spring yet. I'm not going to tighten that yet. I'm going to see how she goes before I make any adjustments to the spring tension. Because, who knows? Maybe it's in a good spot. Maybe not. I mean, like I said, I'm going to still take all this, the whole kit apart to do the, the skins. And it looks like she's locked. Let's put the key back and get to starting on learn how to play the drums day number 2. Let's do this. Okay, one thing I forgot to bring up is the beater. This is the one that I took off. That was the older one. But I also have, one of these. So you can either have the hard side or the soft side. I'm gonna stick with the chubby fuzzy one, but the new one. Anyway, check this out.